Hello there guys, welcome back to another video. In this one we are looking at NEO stock because as we all know, a lot of stuff has gone on with NEO stock. Subsequently, the share price has been falling quite a bit recently. Obviously, if we have a quick look over the past month, we have really seen a huge, decrease in the share's value from about, the Friday, the 27th of November. Obviously, we've had threats about Chinese stocks being delisted and all of that kind of good stuff. So obviously, a lot of people are worried about getting into this stock. So tonight I'm going to be giving my opinions on it, just telling you what I think is going to happen in the future, and if that sounds like a good video, please do leave that like and subscribe. Of course, we are trying to get to 2,000 as soon as possible. If you guys can just help us by keeping subscribing, it would help a lot. On top of that, if you do want to come and join us on Discord, absolutely feel free to. I would love to come and see any of you guys over there. But yeah, thank you for all the support so far. Let's just jump straight into this episode. Yeah, like I said, on the 1 month chart, we can really see that NEO stock is down, and NEO has been climbing for quite a significant period, but now we are down about 24% from the all-time highs of about $55. So if we do have a look, we've been on the decline, for quite a while now, with the majority of the month, and like I said, a lot of this is due to the threat of Chinese stocks being delisted. Now, looking at what this means for the company, in my personal opinion, by the way, I am not a financial advisor, but in my personal opinion, I do believe this is kind of significant, but either way, I think it is definitely going to be a few months at least until NEO stock does get delisted, and then there's even rules which it can use to comply with the system potentially. So of course that means that the stock may not get delisted, and then we could potentially be seeing this one at a discounted price. But I think it is definitely an interesting time for this company and a lot of the other Chinese stocks as to when it comes to their delisting and whatnot. Because of course, yeah, it's just a very interesting thing to see. So look at this one for the buy rating, in my personal opinion. My opinion is I am not, a very high risk person when it comes to this. I know a lot of you guys are, but I think this is more of a high risk thing for the long term. Of course, if you did want to swing trade it, there is definitely probably some opportunities in there. Obviously, if you wanted to day trade it even, there's potentially opportunities in there because of course it is moving quite a lot. But we can see the general pattern is downwards, but it's definitely hard to say because, it is still possible that this stock will get to a level where it is going to go back up, and I do believe that can be the case, but we'll just have to see what happens in the next few months. So in my opinion, just to summarize, I think the next few months for this company are going to be quite crucial because of course if it does get delisted, that will mean an awful lot for the company and also for the stock's price. So it's going to have to come down to what happens with that result, but of course there is still potential that this could stay on the market, or it would be a while until it does come off in the first place. So it will be very interesting to see what happens. So yeah, in my opinion, just to summarize once again, I would not buy this one because I consider it to be too high risk, but of course if risk is your thing and you have done your research properly, maybe it could be a discounted stock for you to buy. Of course, I'm not a financial advisor, but even if I was going to buy this stock, I would not buy it now because I can personally see it going even further onto the red side. And if that is the case, we'd have to wait a couple of days and see how low it actually goes. But of course, I will hopefully be updating you on the stock as we do go. So I hope you did enjoy the video and I hope you did subscribe. Thank you for your time. I'll see you in the next one in just a bit. Goodbye for now.